Hello there mga kavihero! For today's travel, we are going to Capalonga. From Diet Camarines Norte, you can ride a bus going to Capalonga. If you have your own service, just kindly search in Google Map Capalonga Municipal Hall and in 2 hours of driving, you'll get there. Hi guys, good morning! Welcome to Capalonga. Did you know that the name Capalonga came from the term palong manok because of the abundance of palong manok plant back then? So, now you know! Tara, let's explore Capalonga! Upon arrival, you will be welcomed by their church. Capalonga is well known for its black Nazarene that is said to be miraculous. I couldn't deny this because I heard lots of positive stories from my family and friends in Bicol. Because of this very reason, this place is being visited by several devotees from all over the country, especially during Feast of the Black Nazarene celebrated every 13th of May. Nagutom ako sa biyahe, kaya tara! Let's find a place to eat. The gasoline nowadays is quite costful, which is why we need to buy foods that budget-friendly that can make our tummy full, and we found this place. As we are working on a budget, hindi mawawala ang baon naming rice. Ayan, so kakain na kami. Nahihiya sila kasi may dala kaming rice cooker dito. Sayang naman, di ba? Tipid din yun. Ito yung bulalo. Tapos meron ding igado. So ayan. And then okay, next. Inaabot nila sa akin. So ayan, sausawan, sili, tapos kalamansi, and then ito yung ginataang beef. Ayan, mamaya titikman natin. Bakit pati yung patis? Inabot nila sa akin, may yung patis yung tissue. Hindi na, pati toothpick. And may nagmamalaking rice cooker. Naubos na namin yung laban, so good for 6. Ayan, simot na simot. Sabi ko nga, mas tipid, di ba? Pag nagbabaon. Ayan, so tikman na natin. It's a cloudy day and perfect na perfect ang mainit na sabaw at this time. Sorry, hindi ako masyado makapag-focus. Can you imagine? After church, punong-puno yung tindahan and nasa may entrance ako with my family tapos nagagaganito ako, di ba? Overall, the service was great. You can feel that they're really willing to assist you. Most importantly, the foods that we ordered were superb. My favorite is their ginataang baka. Trust me, super sulit ng babayaran mo dito. Though in terms of their bulalo, I'm looking for cabbage, I guess. But that's fine because it's only 150 pesos compared to others that would cost you twice. We only spent less than 300 pesos for 6 people. Not bad, diba? But that's only because we brought extra rice. Buti na lang. After kumain, tambay muna tayo. Your travel in Capalonga will not be complete without visiting the iconic Capalonga Lighthouse. Kaya tara na! This place resides at the back of the church, walking distance lang so you don't need to ride a tricycle. Perfect to visit this place early in the morning. Wow, look at that view! Picture muna! If you came early and still have enough time to roam around the area, I would highly recommend that you visit Selfie Beach Resort, which is located at the western part of Capalonga Lighthouse. It would only take you 5 minutes to get there. Unfortunately, only motorcycle and tricycle can pass the narrow bridge, so you don't have any option but to park your service within the vicinity. Otherwise, you can take the long road, which would take 45 minutes of your time.
No!
Now we're here! Welcome to Selfie Beach Resort. This resort has several amenities. They have function hall, which is perfect for big event like wedding, as it can accommodate up to 100 persons. For small events, nothing to worry, as they have mini event hall that can fit up to 30 persons, perfect for birthday celebration or mini reunion while overlooking the picturesque beach view. For a small group, they have cottages that are very affordable. They also have cabanas facing the beach. You can closely monitor your children playing or swimming while you're enjoying the panoramic view of a sunny day at the beach. Lakas ng hangin pero ang ganda dito, sulit. Drinking beer at the beach? Why not? In the evening, there's a band playing your favorite songs. Chillax, diba? Ano pang hahanapin mo? If you want to stay overnight, they have rooms available. Just kindly make a reservation to ensure a hassle-free day. Alam ko nabitin kayo, but don't worry, cause on our next video, I will tour you around sa Tinderong Beach Resort, which I am very much sure na ma-enjoy nyo. So far, our travel in Capalonga is worth it. I enjoy the food. I visited the miraculous Black Nazarene, the iconic view of Capalonga Lighthouse and Baywalk, and took lots of photos there, and of course, Selfie Beach Resort. We still have more to show, kaya stay tuned. Again, this is your Tinderong Viajero. Bye for now!